Hi, I'm Lou and I'm excited to begin exploring what I can do with my new Cricut Joy. In this video series, I'm going to be sharing with you how I set up the machine right from unboxing it all the way through to creating a beautiful craft project. All of my supplies have come from CraftStash, from the machine, the tools and the materials. And CraftStash have their best price guarantee along with the 5-star customer rated service. Don't forget to follow along with this video series so you can get started with your Cricut Joy. Maybe you've had it in a box for a while and you want to get crafting with it. Join me and let's explore what we can really get making. Now first things first, let's see what we've got inside our Cricut Joy box. Now first, of course, you've got your machine. You can see how portable that is. We also have a wallet in here. And when you open your wallet, you'll find you've got lots of documents in here that's going to help you. Inside the first green one, there is an address here, cricut.com/setup. We're going to talk about that in just a moment, so keep that safe. You also have some cardstock, you have some vinyl, you have your cutting mat, and then you have your warranty details. Also in the box you have your power cables, and that's with different types of plug fittings depending whereabouts in the world you are. You'll also have a black pen included. The cutting blade for your machine will already be installed inside the cartridge. To set up your machine on your devices, you're going to need to type in cricut.com/setup as we discussed. This can be on your mobile, tablet or on your desktop computer. To use your Cricut Joy with your mobile or device, you're going to want to find the Cricut Design Space application in the App Store. You can then simply sign in and register and choose Machine Setup. You'll need to allow notifications and allow Bluetooth as well. Simply choose the Cricut Joy from the top of the list. And then you'll need to ensure the Bluetooth is on your phone and plug your machine in. Once you've plugged in both sections of the machine, you'll find that you'll get a little light on the top of the machine and you will hear a little bit of a whirring sound. Back to your mobile device and you'll see Connect. Eventually the Joy will pop up and you can click on it to connect to your machine. You then want to agree to the terms and conditions, and you can read these here and press Activate. Congratulations, your machine is set up and ready to use. Now you can also do this on a desktop, so you simply need to type in the address as before, select Cutting Machine, select Cricut Joy and follow the instructions just as you did before. Now I'm using a Mac, but you can absolutely do this on any other computer. Now your machine's set up, you'll want to open the device that you wish to use Cricut Design Space on. I'm going to use my phone here, and I'm just going to press the plus sign to start a new project. This will come up with my workspace, and this will represent the mat that I'm going to put through the machine. I'm going to press Images in the bottom left-hand corner, and I can scroll through hundreds and hundreds of different images that I can import into my machine and be cutting or drawing, of course, with the pen. You'll notice on the Design Space that there's prices alongside some of the icons. So what you can do here is click the Filters button at the top right and you can click on Free. This will give you all of the different designs that are completely free for you to use. And don't forget, every single one of these designs can be resized to suit your project. Congratulations, you have set up your Cricut Joy and you are now ready to start creating. Now don't forget to join me on this video series where I will walk you through things like cutting different materials, creating beautiful paper craft projects and lots more. Now the next video we are going to be looking more in depth at Cricut Design Space and everything you can do on it. And along the way we'll be creating lots of projects that you can try at home too. And don't forget you can browse all your digital machines, tools and accessories at craftstash.co.uk and craftstash.us. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you again very soon.